How do I roast raw pumpkin seeds?
Hello, and welcome to our cooking guide. Today we are exploring how to roast raw pumpkin seeds. These little seeds are not only healthy, but also incredibly tasty, perfect for a snack or as a crunchy salad topper. So let's dive right in and turn these raw seeds into a crunchy, satisfying treat.
Gathering your ingredients.
To start off, we'll need the following: raw pumpkin seeds. These can be fresh from a pumpkin or bought pre-cleaned in a packet. If you are using fresh seeds, make sure to wash them thoroughly to remove any pulp. Olive oil. Just a tablespoon or 2 is enough to coat the seeds. Salt to taste. If you like, you can also add other spices such as pepper, chili powder, or garlic powder to give your seeds an extra kick.
Preparing your seeds.
If you're using fresh seeds, rinse them under cold water to remove any leftover pumpkin guts. Then pat them dry with a towel. Next, preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius. This low and slow approach will ensure your seeds don't burn and have plenty of time to become crispy and golden.
Roasting your pumpkin seeds.
Once your seeds are dry and your oven is preheated, spread the seeds out on a baking sheet. Drizzle with olive oil, making sure all seeds are lightly coated, and sprinkle with your chosen seasonings. Bake your seeds in the preheated oven for about 35 to 45 minutes, or until they are golden brown. Make sure to stir them every 10 minutes to ensure even roasting and prevent them from burning.
Enjoying your roasted pumpkin seeds.
Let your seeds cool before eating them. They can be enjoyed as a snack on their own, or added to salads, soups, or even baked goods for a crunchy texture. Remember, roasted pumpkin seeds can be stored in an airtight container for up to a week, so you can enjoy your homemade treat for several days. And there you have it. A simple, delicious way to prepare raw pumpkin seeds. Not only is this a tasty and healthy snack, but it's also a great way to reduce waste if you're carving pumpkins this fall. We hope you found this guide helpful. Happy roasting!